Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk about the 4 most common excuses we use to talk ourselves into buying items we don't need. Now let's face it, I wouldn't be in business if we weren't buying things we didn't need, okay? So those items are the things that take root and grow into big old piles of clutter around our house. So I want to talk about the 4 things we say inside our head as we try to decide if we want to buy something. Number 1, I deserve it. I worked hard for it. I just need to reward myself. We use items in the stores as a reward system. It's called retail therapy. Actually, studies have shown there's like a little rise in your dopamine level when you are purchasing something out in the store. Number 2, we always tell ourselves, it's such a great deal, how can I pass it up? Just because something's on sale doesn't mean we have to buy it. And I've heard so many times people say, well, I could save 50% on it. And I'm like, you could save 100% by not buying it, okay? So just because it's a great deal doesn't mean you have to buy it. Don't talk yourself into buying something just because of the price. Number 3, we often tell ourselves, it doesn't work out, I can always return it. Let's face facts. Once it's in our house, the likelihood of returning it and getting our money back goes drastically down. Okay, that is just another excuse you're giving yourself to buy that item, to get that little dopamine retail therapy hit. So don't buy it with the excuse of, if it doesn't work out, I can always return it. If there's even a seed of doubt that something might not turn out, don't get it in the first place. Save yourself time, save yourself money. It's a win-win. And the 4th excuse I want to bring up, I can always make something out of it. If you don't have the idea of what you want to make ahead of going to that store, don't get it. Don't buy something just because it looks appealing and don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I know I can make something out of it. That is not a reason to buy something that is going to eventually become clutter in your home. Okay, so there you have it. Those are the 4 most often excuses we tell ourselves when we want to buy something that we really don't need. Okay, I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please let me know by clicking that like button below. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click that red subscribe button below, and be sure to hit the bell after you click on the subscribe button so that you know every time I'm uploading a new video like this. I'm Pam with Organizer EZ911. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you like this video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.